Mountain Man just snagged this snake on purpose, and it's still alive, as you can see it moving around his arm. And now he caught it, and he's holding it because I don't know why.
He stinks. He really does. He's nervous. Mr. Snake, do you like Katie? You want to bite her?
Okay, I'm gonna back up on that note. Don't do that.
Well,
I'll get it away.
If we was hard up for food, we might eat him, but I'm not much on killing snakes. This is a non-poisonous viper. Well, he's a snake. I don't know. I think he's just an old water snake. Pretty good one though, ain't you, buddy? But he sure does smell, Katie, and I think that he's pooping on me. I don't know, but anyway, we couldn't catch a catfish, but I can catch a snake. You see, I got him. If I wanted to eat you, I could, but well, I just got through eating pizza, so I reckon I'll turn him loose now. Here, Katie, I'm
Oh, no, get it away.
turn him loose over there somewhere. He's starting to stink.
Oh, back up.
You want to look at him, Katie, a little closer. He's a pretty good one now. He likes my arm.
Whoa, hey, don't be swinging that thing over
That's
here.
him, though. He's a 5-footer. Well, 4 foot. Probably a little better. Looks like he's been eating well. Yep, that's him.
Oh, man. Make sure you let him go in the water.
Well, I'm going to put him on the end of the pier to make sure he's okay where he can crawl off. Okay, here he goes, y'all. He knows there's the water. Y'all ready?
Ready.
Alright. Okay, let go of my arm.
Oh, gross.
Ah, he was coming at me.
Oh, my gosh.
Whoa. Got that natural.
He does
lead.
stink.
I got my snake boots on.
Oh, he does stink.
Yeah, look at him go.
Go.
Bye. Oh,
And there he goes.
My friend is gone.
Hey, I'm still here.
Yeah, you're still there. Now I stink.
It does stink.